Anesthesiologists of Reddit, what was something you won't forget hearing from someone that was under? 1. My husband was put under to get his wisdom teeth out. He was a little anxious and also is just kind of anal. He's an engineer. So he read his pre-op instructions front to back like a dozen times. One of the things it said was, you may experience profound disorientation upon awakening. As he woke up, he opened one eye and looked around the room, then said extremely huffily, I wouldn't call this profound. Then he started crying. 2. I had an ovarian cyst removed a year ago and woke up from the anesthesia saying hand please. And making grabby hands with both my hands until the nurses finally came over and held my hands for about 5 minutes while I just smiled and tried to go back to sleep. I hadn't done that in a decade. I used to do it to my dad all the time as a kid to express that I wanted to hold his hand while I slept.